We cannot stop saying this is insane. Everywhere you go, this route is wildly beautiful. I'm walking from Bayona to Vigo. It's the longest day of my Camino journey. Behind me are Isla Cies, where I'll be celebrating my birthday 8 days from now. Steep. Vigo Ocean Dip. Okay, you know the drill. We said to clean up a day, so we're gonna do it. Full bag of trash, day 3 Camino. Let's go. Gonna find a bin, throw this out, and check in. Time for sleep and on to Redondela tomorrow.